In this video, me and my friend are playing Roblox COD Zombies ripoff, and we set up a little challenge to see who can go down the least. And I wonder who won. Watch the video to see who did. I played
Joe.
I played too much town.
What's the map I think I played the most? It's probably
Firebase. I
Firebase.
bought the wrong fucking door.
It's either Firebase or Forsaken.
Boo!
Ammo grinded on Forsaken.
What? We're flying to Philadelphia! Oh, hell no!
But also I did the same thing on Firebase Z, and I know you don't like Firebase Z.
Correct!
You know, it's the best map. Best map in whole world.
Are you sure?
Not for high rounds, in my opinion.
Not for high rounds, I like Machine. Ooh! The Zombies veteran going down like that. Ooh!
What are you talking about? I'm so laughing kicking.
Are you serious, my brother?
Garden veteran. I had to, man.
Yeah.
Round.
That
That was round 2. What door? That door?
Yeah.
What door? That door?
Yeah, because the box in there.
Stupid!
Wait.
Yeah, but I first spin on the box. First spin luck, twin. Obviously.
First spin.
The knife zombies because I'm out of ammo.
I wonder if
I got
it
my-
2 hit downs or something.
Yeah, it's good.
Whoa.
Oh. Man, I hope I get something good. I got symbol monkeys. I got monkeys. I didn't get a gun.
I know you didn't. I didn't know you could have black people in this game.
Help!
I got.
Evan.
I got monkeys too. Yeah.
How do you throw them?
Not that. Monkey.
Press up again.
Are you crazy?
Maybe if I throw it on. I'm not buying anything. I'm just. Oh, look at this guy. You can get so many points with that thing. Ooh.
Like the perk thing?
I set the perk jingle to 100% volume. Like I put it at 100 volume.
Yay! If I get something stupid, yeah, I'm like, shoot it. What is the
Yeah, I hope
thing
you
for?
And I got monkeys and can't even. Come on, I need.
You good over here?
Check. Boy, I hope I get something good. Oh, you got a cat 40. Bro. Dang nice.
Oh wait, what? How'd I do that?
How do you do that?
How'd I do that?
How do you do that?
Oh, it's T for me.
I don't know what that is. Man, I can't wait for Resident Evil 9 in February.
I probably won't play until like see
Fuck Black History Month.
Whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
It's so useful when all I fucking have is a ballistic knife. Okay, I killed him. I swear to God, I get like the scythe from Ascension. The SMR? Are you shitting me? Are you shitting me?
Yeah, I got
67,000? You should watch JoJo. No. Loki winning anime. I don't know who's winning anime of the year. It's either JoJo's or it's gonna be Jujutsu Kaisen. But if they adapt to JoJo's well, since it's the highest rated manga of all time, they have to be the highest.
I don't think so!
I'm getting jumped. Oh, fuck. HP. I can't go down. I can't go down. I must. Well. You died on round 2.
That is whoa. Shut up.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right.
Come on.
I jumped.
Gotcha, bitch.
You can't keep getting away with it!
Oh,
I hope you
it psyched me out so bad. I thought I had the goddamn
Bro did not get the ray gun. Yeah. Man, I hope I don't get the Wonder Waff.
Man, that would really suck.
I got the SVU.
I got a.
I have two. Oh, you got the AMR. Oh no. I got this, and then I got this.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you. Jumped. Okay, can't go down twice. Evan will make fun of me. Alright, you make fun of me. I now have the most downs. Evan, you're allowed to make fun of me now. Switching down the ops. Don't worry, Evan. Evan, I wouldn't do that. I don't know how you got it.
Where that shit from? Let's get to run 100.
I got a wonder weapon.
This guy, dude.
I got a wonder. I love this guy.
What did I get? Nothing?
You got it, Teddy. You got it. Fetch me their search history. No.
Rifle.
Brandon Herrera?
Yeah. I don't get the new jersey. 6 and fuck you.
You like it when he says Trunnion. Oh, look at this guy. Yeah, a whole race of these coppers.
The shotgun's way too good.
Honestly, just gonna use the Magnum because I think it's kind of cool. There's damn alloy.
Yeah, it's gonna ask by the diner, right?
I know where it is. Diner.
Or bar, right?
Look at this dude with his winter's howl. If I go down with Jug, I'm gonna be a little disappointed in myself. Just Lenny.
Oh!
I got the big iron on my hip.
Big iron on it.
How?
Bro, I'm Texas Red over here.
Whoa! Oh shit, I'm low. I can't fucking see.
Down. In the town, there was an outlaw by the name of. Is there no Wonder Fizz on this map?
Stupid.
We got my campy hole.
What do you mean by that?
Go in your hole.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Yeah, I bought me okay. Gotta go fast, that ass.
But yeah, it's this one here now.
Aus 1994. It was a job, that ass.
I don't know.
It'll be the wrong fucking movie. Mr. Barber tear down this wall.
Bro, I don't know why. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Have you seen like his picture he posts on like Instagram?
I like his long hair. And all the back flurries he eats. Maybe you should be.
When the hell is that hot thing coming out, bro?
No, Nogla said he wouldn't do it because he's fat now. He has a belly, and then he's self-conscious. That's why they haven't done it. Yeah, I want my Terrorizer and Nogla hot tub stream. It is. I feel like every other freaking Vanos Gaming video I watch, or like Terrorizer's video, he's literally just sitting there eating McDonald's or Starbucks. And then every April 1st, without fail, there'll be a video saying my identity.
Let's see if that is true or not. No. JK.
It's like the low taper fade meme
Imagine if Ninja got a low taper fade.
of being dragged. Alright, bro, it's the empty. It's better than a low taper fade. That meme's been dragged longer. probably Pack-a-Punch, my super cool, awesome wonder weapon that I haven't used. I don't think I've just been running around with Magnum.
Are you serious right now, bro?
I'm dead. Yep. That's now. Well, nine. Anyway, I was thinking, what is it called? No, talk your toad. Didn't work either.
Yeah, talk didn't work.
Lost my perks. I thought you went. I need Jug. Up. Man, now I doubled your downs.
Jesus.
Evan, protect me.
Shut your stupid.
Oh, me too. You did so good.
Out of pocket for that shit.
Alright, my speak. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, no, I'm tired. Oh, I'm feeling so sleepy.
I don't know.
Oh, my reflexes are starting to go.
I gotta get out of here.
So was that? Damn, we just cleared that round. I mean, you cleared that round. Pocket buying all my perks again. You going in? Am I ever gonna get married? Ooh,
Yes,
what
sir.
about
Mr. Googling Man.
a Luger? I traded my AK for a Luger.
Stupid.
I walked up to a girl with really small tits and say, "You have flat Earth? Do you believe in the flat Earth theory? Because your chest is showing."
Pretty flat.
Evan, to be fair, you got no tits. You need to get your tits game up.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Me?
The meat on that bone. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you see that the first JJ cap drops this right there?
Yeah, it's 8th or 9th.
It's the 8th.
I gotta get out of here.
Well, then I might get my friend to give me his fucking JJ surfboard.
Sorry. What?
We're not tied anymore.
How the fuck did I die?
Not me, not me, not me, not me. I said not me. Okay. Alright, we're tied again.
You serious?
Nobody can make fun of either. Look at this slide canceling loser over there. I see you. Oh, I lost my wonder. I lost my blunder gat.
Correct!
Alright, I think I say we leave. You know, I think I'm done here. You know, I'm kind of, you know, I feel like I've played this game completely, and I'm definitely not at all salty. I wouldn't have gone down if I didn't have a stupid PM63 as my backup weapon.
I don't know.
Oh wait, no wonder these guns aren't doing any damage, because I don't have, what's it called? Double tap.
Boo!
Yeah, but that's it.
I'm gonna buy you.
What do you mean by that?
Everybody has a price, Evan. I could buy you for 2.5 billion.
I don't know.
I feel like anything over, like, alright, say you're offered 20, well, actually, say you're offered an amount of money, but you have to move in with this, like random woman, like, you don't know who she is, but she gives you this money, right? And you gotta stay with her for, like, 10 years.
Yes! Yes!
How much money are you willing to do that for?
I don't know.
Oh my god, I hate this game. I hate this game.
Are you sure?
Fucking, hold on. I fucking lost my gun because I accidentally traded it out.
Stupid. I'm not.
It's the worst game ever.
I don't know. It'd probably be like a lot, because like it's a random chance.
I'd say 7 billion. I'm kidding, obviously. That's like 100 million. No, it's too high. 50 million, and I'll do it.
50 mil?
Yeah. I think I should get off, and it's definitely not the fact. Well, A, I gotta put away my ice cream. My ice cream's just been kind of sitting here. Oh, I need to go this way. Yeah, yeah. Let me go put my money in the bank. So,
Okay, we could stop.
you gotta. Okay, not my fault. I don't have any jugs.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I'm shooting. No, I'm contributing. Okay, yeah. Money in the bank. Wrong way, David. I'm an idiot. Bank, money in the bank, money in the bank. I feel like I gotta brush my teeth. I had too much ice cream.
Boo! You stink!
Yes!
Adrian.
Got him!